Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create talking photos in Grok Imagine, which is a free AI image and video generation app.
This is a talking photo I created in Grok Imagine using my own photo.
So this is a talking photo that I created in Grok Imagine with my own photo using this prompt. So first I use Grok AI to provide me with several video prompts, as you can see here. First, let me show you the overall process with generic prompts. So go to grok.com. I'd encourage you to watch this Grok Imagine overview video that I created to learn more. So I'm logged into my Grok AI account. You can use your Twitter or X account to log in, and I'm using the free version of Grok Imagine here. Click on Imagine in the left side panel, and you'll be brought to this home page. Down below, you enter the video prompt, and then click on this side arrow button or the play button. Here you'll see these options. You can choose the duration of 6 seconds or 10 seconds. The free version only allows 6 seconds. Next, you choose the aspect ratio. As you can see, there are quite a few options here. I'm going to go with a vertical 9:16 aspect ratio. And I'll make sure that I checked the video option. And then I'll click on the up arrow button. It'll then start rendering the talking photo. It usually takes just a few seconds, so just be patient with it. And this is the rendered talking photo. If you hover your mouse over the video, you can click this play button, which is what I'll do.
Grok Imagine turns any photo into a talking star. Perfect for fun.
So that was pretty cool, right? If you're not happy with it, you can click the redo button to re-render the video clip. And if you're happy with it, you can click this download button to download it to your computer, and also use the other buttons to share it. If you click this 3 dots icon at the top, you'll see these options here. And if you click down below here, it'll bring you to the favorite section, where you'll find all of the videos you've generated. For example, this is the talking photo that I created using one of my own images. And if I click on it, it'll open this page where you can see I entered my prompt into the box down below and then rendered 2 videos. So if you want to use the same image and create several talking photos, then you can do this. So when you are on the main Imagine homepage, you first drag and drop your image here. It will then start processing the video, and you just hit the cancel video button and then enter your prompt in the box down below and then click this button to render it. With Grok Imagine, you can only create 6 to 10 second talking photos, and the 10-second talking photo requires the upgraded version. If you would like to create longer talking photos just like this one, please feel free to check my tutorial at the end of this video. I created this using the Talking Photos app. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.